Question 20 is a nice question about surds. We want to basically tidy these two surds up by simplifying them and seeing what they're equivalent to. So root 50, remember I can simplify that if I can find two numbers that will multiply together to give 50 and one of them is a square number. So 50 is 25 times 2. 25 is a square number, so when I take that outside the square root sign, I get 5 root 2 plus 32. I want to split that into two numbers that multiply together to give 32, one of them being a square number. So 16 times 2 will do fine. 16 is a square number, so I can take that outside of the square root sign and square root it, so I get 4 root 2. When I add 5 root 2 to 4 root 2, and I can add them together now because they're both just root 2's, I get 9 root 2. Okay, part B of the question. Don't know why that's not moving down. Oh, because I haven't extended the page, that's why. Part B of the question. Circle the value that's equivalent to 4 root 75 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. Similar sort of question. We want to simplify the surds and then see if we can divide. So 4 root 75. That root 75 I want to split into two numbers. Same thing, one of them's a square number. So I'm going to do 25 times 3. 25 being my square number, I can take it outside of the square root sign and square root it, so I get 5. So I get 4 times 5, which is 20 root 3. I'm now going to divide that by 2 root 3. I think it sometimes helps to see it nicely as a little fraction. So we'll write it like that, you don't have to, but it looks nice and easy there. The 2 root 3's cancel out, and we've basically left with 20 divided by 2, which is 10. And then, oh, was that it? Oh, I thought there was a part C.